Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we are going to be preparing this Ocean Ventures Nashville hot shrimp. We've got 2 pounds of shrimp here. Now we're not going to be making that whole thing, but we are going to be making some out of this bag right here. Now first things first, we're going to need our shrimp. We're going to need some tongs for taking these out of the air fryer, and we are going to do ours in the air fryer. So we need to preheat that. Now their recommendation is 375 degrees, but I have found that I like these best whenever I cook them at 400 degrees, so I'm gonna preheat mine to 400 degrees. All right guys, we are ready to add our shrimp, so we're gonna open this up and just pop our shrimp in. Now we're gonna let this go for about 5 minutes and then check in and flip them over. All right guys, it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna open this up and flip over our shrimps. Now we're gonna let these go for about another 3 minutes and then check on them. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, it has been an additional 3 minutes and it looks like our shrimps are done. They are nice and crispy looking, so let's get them out of here. All right, so here are our done shrimp. It took right around 8 minutes at 400 degrees. If you'd like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. In the meantime though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.